morning to all. Myself Amit Sharma, Assistant Professor in Hotel Management Department at RPIT Campus, Karnal. Today's our topic is flower arrangement and indoor decoration. Introduction. Flower arrangement is an organization of design and color towards creating an ambience using flower, foliage and other floral accessories. Flower arrangements are made out of fresh cut flowers, dried flowers and artificial flowers as well. Style of flower arrangement. Basically two style of flower arrangements. First is Western style or English style. Employing a mass concept of arrangement flower is an evenly symmetry is called Western style. The Eastern or Japanese or Ikebana style, which are based on specific rules and angles using less material. Emphasis is given on spiritual and religious background and only few flowers are used. Principle of design it decide the structural pattern of the flower arrangement. It is a visualized plan about the size and shape of the floral arrangement. First is balance. A balanced arrangement has a focal point. Balance may be symmetrical or asymmetrical. Emphasize the central position of the floral arrangement from where the flower and foliage of the arrangement appear to be emerging is known as the focal point of the arrangement. Harmony and unity. Blending of all component is called harmony. Proportion it refers to the size of part of the design in relation to each other. Rhythm repetition of same object at equal distance. Elements of design. Line it is a visual path in arrangement. Line may be created by repetition of similar flower color, texture or shapes. Form flower and foliage add a visual quality that is important in developing harmony, creating rhythm and establishing focal points. Texture it refers to the surface quality of the plant material. Bold texture creates focal point. Color combination should be pleasing, like primary color is yellow, red and blue and secondary color is orange, green and violet. Types of arrangement. Circular, triangle, radiating, crescent, S-curve, horizontal design. Types of flower arrangement. Circular shape arrangement. Flower in circular design adds up pleasing elements. It is satisfying to the viewer eyes. The circular or round shape is loved by the nature since majority of flowers lies in the shape. In fact, it also easier to arrange flower in circular fashion. These designs are constructed in low round container or in a basket that holds water. Triangle shape it is a most common arrangement of flower used in personal and professional functions. Firstly, height and the width is fixed with flower and then focal point is established. It is made in the triangle shape and look very attractive. Fan shape or radiating. General outline of the radiating is like fan. It is a low arrangement and it does not interface with conversation across the table. It is a fan or horizontal in shape, generally placed in the restaurant either in the buffet or on dining room. Crescent design. The crescent design has a natural free flowering outline which has a formal appeal. The crescent design is constructed in half moon shape having a height at the left side being 2/3 in the length of the entire line of the arrangement. S shape. This is a very graceful style of arrangement. It is easier to make when curved branches are used. Once S shape is made, flowers are filled at the center. Western style arrangement. Western style is characterized by the mass of flower and foliage arranged in various formats. It is balanced formal style which may be front viewing or to be viewed from all sides. Japanese flower arrangement or ikebana. The first school ikebana is called as Ikonobo, meaning it is the arrangement of flower of the hermitage along a pond. It was started by Buddhist monk Samu around 621 AD. Earlier flower offerings were in the form of standing arrangement which were tall in nature and called as tatebana. Sogetsu is a Japanese flower arrangement which does not follow rigid rules of offering flower to Lord Buddha, and flower arrange can be used their imitation after following basic traditional lines of ikebana. The flower containers are urns, basket, glass vase, ceramic vase, grapevine wreath, metal container, trays, boxes, foam, terracotta pots, etc. Care of flower arrangement. Spray lukewarm water to keep the flower fresh. Change the water and wash solution timely. Use clean container. Never expose arrangement to direct sunlight. Add sugar, 8 HQC, biocide, ethylene inhibiting chemical, etc. to enhance the vase life. Trim the dry leaves and flower. Thank you.